In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the black finish on this stand lamp to a gold finish using just spray paint. So we're in the process of redecorating my daughter's room, and a lot of the new things that we've gotten for her room have gold accents and finishes, and so this black lamp just doesn't match with everything else. So this is an easy project. I just went to Home Depot, got a can of this Rust-Oleum metallic shiny gold spray paint, so I'm going to show you step by step how it's done. Let's jump right in. Okay, so the first step here, we just need to take the lamp apart, at least take off the things we don't want to get paint on. So I'll take out the light bulb here, the light covers. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use blue painter's tape to cover all the stuff that we want to keep the paint from getting into. So I'll go ahead and probably cover these two top areas. The other thing I've been debating about, I don't know if you can see, we've got this black cord running all the way down the light here. So I've been debating about if I just want to spray paint this or if I'm just going to cover it with tape. I don't know if it's going to look ugly if this is all gold and then we've got this black electrical cord. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to go ahead and tape it. Then we'll, once we spray everything, if it looks bad, then I can go back and maybe spray paint it at the end. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and tape it up. All right, so I got everything taped off here. And again, I'm just using this Rust-Oleum metallic, kind of bright, shiny gold finish. So what we want to do is just do, lots of light little coats here, keep the can moving at all times. This is probably going to be 2 or 3 coats to get this covered. We'll just kind of go over it nice and lightly. All right, so it's been a little over an hour here, so let's go ahead and do the second coat. Honestly, it looks great after the first coat, so I'm just going to do the second coat just very lightly. Make sure I didn't miss any spots, but other than that, it's going to turn out great. All right, that looks good. So it takes about 10 minutes so you can actually touch it, an hour. Until it's pretty dry, and then so we'll let it dry for the rest of the night. Come back in the morning. Okay, so we let the paint dry overnight. Now we're just going to remove the blue tape and put the lamp back together. Okay, so here's the final result. You can see it turned out really, really good. We were able to cover up that black finish with this nice gold spray paint. It matches the other accents here in the room, just ties everything together. Looks really, really good. I ended up just leaving the cord black. I think that's what I want to do. I just didn't want to damage the light control here, but I think it looks great. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for other easy DIY videos, and thanks for watching.